Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram notification problem. If you're not being able to receive notifications on Telegram like you were supposed to, then keep watching the video till the end to learn how to fix the issue. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In today's video, I'm using my Android device. If you are too, follow the steps. If you're not being able to receive notification on your Android device for Telegram, then the first thing to check is to make sure that you've updated your Telegram to the latest version. Go and tap open your Play Store, and once you do that, go to the search box at the top. Search for Telegram in the search box. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page. If your app needs an update, then you'll be able to see an update button popping up right next to the application. But if you've already updated your app to the latest version, then you won't be able to see the update button, which means in my case, I'll need to update my application, so let me tap on the update button. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this installing button popping up right under the application, which means your application is being downloaded to the latest version. Once you're done with the update, wait for a couple of minutes or an hour to see that if you ever receive a notification from Telegram. If that fixed your issue, then that's great. If it does not, then the next thing to do is to check if you have allowed permission for your smartphone to receive notifications from your Telegram app. Go to settings from your Android device and tap it on. Soon after you do that, from the settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. From the list of the applications displayed on the screen, search for Telegram. Once you find it, tap it on in order to end up in the app info page. Scroll all the way down until you see the permission section and tap it on. Make sure that all of the application permission has been allowed and leave no permissions denied. Soon after you do that, go back and right above Permissions tab, tap on Notifications. See if your notifications are allowed or not. If not, tap on the button right next to a Show Notification and you'll be able to turn on notifications for Telegram on your Android device. Once you do that, you should be able to receive notifications right away on your Telegram app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.